Hi, so I don't know exactly how the ban on TikTok would help us economically, but I do see it as a very good time to encourage the ideology of Make in India because we have a lot of Indian alternative apps which can be used and put to front now. They can be advertised so that the new creators or the creators who had already found a platform on TikTok can actually make a career out of it on Indian alternative platforms. And we need to stop mocking the people who have just lost their employment because of the banning of TikTok, because they're already going through a very bad phase.
So why is it bad that the TikTok got banned? Because a lot of people who were stuck at home amidst the COVID virus were distracted in some way or the other, either creating content or watching content, right? Why is it so good that TikTok got finally banned? Is because point number one, we don't have to see any more chappy niggas crying for no reason. Point number two, if someone wants to showcase content, showcase talent, they gotta be really talented. Not just some bloody template on which you can just lip sync and become famous in overnight, right? Point number three, and the most important, TikTok clocked a revenue of 25 crore rupees in the last quarter of 2019, that is October to December. So, with the ban of TikTok, just with the ban of TikTok, a substantial amount of money will not go towards China. And if you're able to build an Indian alternative towards it, it's going to be in all in our pocket, probably with a better content, hopefully.
I cannot think of a single social media app which is free from toxicity. All of them reflect some sort of illness from the society. But coming towards this Chinese TikTok app, it not only has objectionable videos instigating religion abuse, domestic violence, and glorifying animal violence, it also pushes the youngsters towards an unproductive future. I have friends on TikTok who create hilarious and cringe content, but I don't mind unless the misuse, security issues, make in India, and the youth of India is in wrong direction. But one more thing, why am I even talking about something which is set on ban?
I stand by the decision made by our government to ban the Chinese app TikTok. After the whole chaos that China did, they needed to be stopped. Few years back, we tried to ban a lot of Chinese products, but it is rooted in our system and we have to take them out. This small decision will make a major impact in China, and slowly and steadily we can remove all of this, and we have a really great power over them because they make the majority of their money and profit from our country. So everyone should be happy with this decision made by our government and should stand by it.
Ban is a much welcome step taken by the government of India, considering the amount of time the youth was investing on the platform for quick popularity and fame, and anything was being served in the name of content. In some cases, they've misused the platform and served content which was highly immature and inappropriate in some cases, and therefore I feel this ban was necessary. Of course, there's some exceptions, uh, and I personally feel the right talent will find its way if they are supported and they look out for better platform where real talents can showcase themselves. Thank you.